were told that it mattered.
Yes. Everything matters in the house of God.
Every house is God's house, right?
No. That's not what that means.
But when your leader commands it, anything goes.
No. Well, yes. The Lord chose them to lead us, making decisions through them.
Yeah, well, he's dead. How does that feel?
They're both dead. But their accomplishments will outlive them.
You're collecting hemlock. Why? Where's Fincher?
I don't know. But I was given a task and I'm going to see it through.
They're dead!
If I recall,
Stop.
you received their guidance many times.
What the fuck was I supposed to do? You were there.
Father Donovan warned us exactly who you would become, Emily. A wanderer.
Stop.
No land for food. No one from home for heart.
I said stop!
Because you killed your brother. Parker would have never... Oh. Emily. What have you done?
You feel it yet, Joshua?
Please.
I'll find Fincher myself. Goodbye, old friend.